What's up, fellas? So this entire time I've been doing a few woodworking projects, stupid things here and there, or not stupid things, but projects here and there. I've always needed and wanted a proper cart for my table saw. The cart that I've had is always a little bit too tall, or it's too short, or it's not stable enough. The one that I found that's kind of right where I want it to be is still too tall, and that's really the only problem with it. I can chock the wheels so that it doesn't move around and roll around. That's not the problem. It's more about the height, because that ends up being a little unsafe. So this is the cart that I've used, and it's just a little too tall. It's about 13 inches too tall. 13 inches is the height of the table saw top to the base right there. It just happens that that's this distance, that's this height. So I'm gonna cut these off. I got this cart for free somewhere. I think I picked it out of the garbage. Yeah, so it ends up working out perfectly. I've been using this cart for about a year already, and I guess I never put enough thought into actually making it what I want it to be. So here we go. Oh my God. That's perfect. It's perfect height. Might be a little low. I can put a piece of 3/4 inch plywood at the bottom for this to sit on. I've got about 2 inches of depth inside here, so this is way better. This moves. I'm not going to move it, but it's got enough room to move around. Yeah, that's great.